Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Johan Pabi. So quick review lang po tayo ng ating unit na WE Glock 18C G-Force or Glock Series Sports Edition. Yan. So ito po yung unit natin. At syempre meron niyang mga freebies, no. Andiyan yung mga stickers, yan. Mag and cap, no. Yan. So may pin yan dito for thumb rest, no. Yan, dito po nilalagay yan. Dito. Yan po yan. So, may pin yan diyan. So, may butas yan. Yan. And then, magazine capacity 24 plus 1, 25 rounds magazine capacity. Ito po yung style ng unit na to. So, naka semi and full auto function po yan. Yan. And adjustable hop-up system. So metals, yung slide nya metal, yung frame nya polymer plastic. So may railings, pwedeng lagyan ng laser flashlight attachment. And then naka magwell, magazine release, naka extended tactical trigger. Yan yung V technology ang tawag dyan. And then yung kanyang metal slide, naka fiber optic front and rear sight, and then naka gold plated outer barrel po na po yan. Yan, so may serration both sides. And then so ito po ay gas blowback pistol. So kanyang FPS ay nasa 330 FPS. So depende sa gawa ng Taiwan, no? So may lumalabas na 330, 350, 360 pa nga yan. So yan lang po, quick review lang po tayo itong unit nito na WE made in Taiwan Glock 18C 4 series Glock Series Sports Edition. Napaka-solid dito, napakaganda. Yan, fully markings and logos. Yan. Thank you.